In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Lightroom presets onto the Lightroom CC Mobile app. First, you need to open Lightroom CC on your laptop or desktop computer. This won't work on Lightroom Classic. Next, click the little cloud icon in the top right corner. Next, click the Lightroom iOS or Android link. You can then enter your number and you will be sent a link where you can download the app. Alternatively, you can download the app from the App Store or the Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app and logged in, just click the cloud logo again. You should now see that your photos and presets are syncing. Once syncing is complete, restart the mobile app. Now you want to go into presets and click the drop down that says user presets, then select the preset. As you can see, again, I've used the Paris preset. Sometimes Lightroom Mobile defaults to the color or creative presets, so just make sure you're looking for user presets. That's the one you want to click to find the presets. Finally, you can export your photo as normal once the preset has been applied. Happy editing, guys. Don't forget to head over to emspresets.com and also let me see your pictures on Instagram at mshellx.